Hello, children. Welcome to our radio learning program for Primary 5 Science. This is a continuation of our radio learning programs produced by REB, Rwanda Education Board, in partnership with IEE, Inspire, Educate, and Empower Rwanda. My name is Teacher Gerard. Children, get ready with your pens and notebooks for taking notes and doing exercises. After that, my friends, sit next to the radio, which you will tune to be loud enough, and be ready to listen to it keenly, as well as participating in radio lesson activities. I want to take this opportunity to congratulate the parents and the guardians because they have been with us in this long journey of learning through the radio. This online learning program has really helped our children, and the children are really appreciating. Children, I want to clap for you, and you also clap for yourselves for being active children in the radio learning activities. Let's clap for ourselves. Good. Parents, I would like you to be part of the child's learning by moving closer to the child and follow up what they are doing and support them where necessary, as you've been doing always. Thank you. Now, children, I want us to stand up to have the other warm-up song of London is Burning. Can you remember the song? Now I'm not going to sing fast. Now, I am not going to sing fast, but I'm going to hum. I am going to hum the tune. I want you to listen to me humming. Whoa! Have you learned? Have you heard the humming? Good. Now, you can join me and we sing. Now there is no humming. The first one, you will sing. The second one, we will hum. The third one, we will sing. Do you understand? Great. Let us start by singing. London's burning, London's burning, fetch the engines, fire, 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 burn water, burn water. The second time, we are humming. Let's go. Wow! The third time, we are singing. Let's sing. London's burning, London's burning, fetch the engines, fire, 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 burn water, burn water. That is great. Electricity is good and equally bad if not properly used. Is that clear? Wonderful. Before we continue, can you mention what we learned about last time? Good. Last time, we learned about simple electric circuits. Is that true? Perfect. Now, can you mention the major parts of a simple electric circuit? Can you mention the major parts of a simple electric circuit? Wonderful. The major parts of a simple electric circuit are source of electricity, which was the dry cell or the battery. Number B was conducting wires. Number C, a bulb. And number D was a switch. Is that right? Wow. Again, can you list down the dangers of electricity that we discussed last time? Can you list down the dangers of electricity that we discussed last time? Perfect. We said that when mishandled, electricity can cause dangers such as burns, fires, electrocution, deaths, and destruction of electrical appliances. Now, which practices should be avoided to reduce the dangers of electricity? Wow! The following practices should be avoided because they increase the dangers of electricity. Number 1, inserting nails and other metallic objects into sockets. Number 2, we said, touching electrical appliances with wet hands. Number 3, we said, repairing electrical appliances while still plugged in. Number 4, operating electrical appliances with damaged cables. That is fine.
Come along and play with us.
Now, we will do revision exercise today, my friends. Is that clear? Good. As usual, write down revision exercise. Then underline it neatly and be ready to write questions followed by the answers before we get to the next question. Write revision exercise at the top of the page. Underline it neatly. Then be ready to write questions followed by their answers before we get to the next question. Is that clear? Great. Question number 1. A bicycle dynamo produces electricity when the bicycle is at rest. That means the bicycle is not moving. Is it true or false? A bicycle dynamo produces electricity when the bicycle is at rest or not moving. Is it true or false? Oh, the answer is false. Question 2. Name any 2 sources of electricity that you use in your homes. Any 2. Name any 2 sources of electricity that you use in your homes. Good. I'm going to read about 5 sources. About 5 sources of electricity. Or 6. But any 2 out of them, you are right. A. Bicycle dynamo. B. Dry cell. C. Solar panel. D. Wind-driven turbine. E. Car battery. And F. Generators of diesel and petrol, or water and fuel. I'm going to repeat: bicycle dynamo, dry cells, solar panel, wind-driven turbine, car battery, generators driven by diesel and petrol or water and fuel. Any 2, you are right, my friend. Question 3. Explain briefly how a solar panel produces electricity. Explain briefly how a solar panel produces electricity? Great. A solar panel produces electricity by changing light energy from the sun to electricity. A solar panel produces electricity by changing light energy from the sun to electrical energy, and that is electricity. Question 4. Name 2 materials that are good conductors of electricity. Great. They are metals, copper wires, water, steel, and others. Any 2. Metals, copper or copper wires, water, and steel. Question 5, my friends. Write down 3 ways of preventing the dangers of electricity when using electricity appliances. Write down 3 ways of preventing the dangers of electricity when using electrical appliances. I only want 3 ways. Good. Number 1, don't insert nails and other metallic objects into sockets. Number 2, don't touch electrical appliances with wet hands. Number 3, avoid repairing electrical appliances while still plugged in. Number 4, avoid operating electrical appliances with damaged cables. Any 3 of those. Any 3 of those. I said write down 3 ways of preventing the dangers of electricity when using electrical appliances. And the answer is 3 of these. Don't insert nails and other metallic objects into sockets. 2, don't touch electrical appliances with wet hands. 3, avoid repairing electrical appliances while still plugged in. And then 4, avoid operating electrical appliances with damaged cables.
Come along and play with us.
Question 6. Are you there? Good. Write the following words. I want you to make sure that you write them correctly. So I will just read the word, then you will write. I will read all the words first, then you will write. Then we will come to correct them later on. Is that correct? Good. Number 1, electricity. Electricity. Number 2, circuit. Circuit. Number 3, generator. Generator. Number 4, dry cell. Dry cell. Number 5, dynamo. Dynamo. Number 6, electric shock. Electric shock. Number 7, solar panel. Solar panel. Number 8, switch. Switch. Number 9, fuse. Fuse. Number 10, geothermal. Geothermal. Number 11, turbines. Turbines. Number 12, plug. Plug. Word number 13, socket. Socket. Number 14, tester. Tester. Number 15, electric meter. Electric meter. Good. Now, let us check if you have spelled them correctly. Let us now check if you have written them correctly. I'm going to spell them. Number 1, electricity. C-I-T-Y. Number 2 was circuit. Circuit is spelled C-I-R-C-U-I-T. Circuit. Number 3 was generator. Generator is written as G-E-N-E-R-A-T-O-R. Generator. Number 4, dry cell. Dry cell. It was written D-R-Y-C-E-L-L. Dry cell. The word number 5 was dynamo. Dynamo is written as D-Y-N-A-M-O. Dynamo. Number 6, electric shock. Electric shock, written as E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-S-H-O-C-K. Electric shock.
Come along and play with us.
The next one, which is number 7, solar panel. Solar panel, written as S-O-L-A-R-P-A-N-E-L. Solar panel. Then number 8, switch. Switch, written as S-W-I-T-C-H. Switch. Number 9, fuse. Fuse, written as F-U-S-E. Fuse. Number 10, geothermal. Geothermal, written as G-E-O-T-H-E-R-M-A-L. Geothermal. Number 11, turbines. Turbines. T-U-R-B-I-N-E-S. Turbines. Number 12 was plug. Plug. P-L-U-G. Plug. Number 13, socket. S-O-C-K-E-T. Socket. Number 14, tester. T-E-S-T-E-R. Tester. Number 15 was electric meter. Electric meter. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C. M-E-T-E-R. Electric meter. Wow, my friends, if you have gotten 15 out of 15, bravo. If you have gotten any, you have corrected them, bravo. That's very good. Is that fine? Wonderful. Children, that will mark the end of our revision today and the end of learning about electricity. In our next lesson, I will need you to have the textbook or printed pages from page 205 onwards. Is that clear, my friends? Great. We will meet in the next radio lesson. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time. Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time.